Let us find the factors of this quadratic expression 4x square minus 4x minus 3, where the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. So first we will multiply this 4 with 3. So now our expression becomes x square minus 4x minus 12. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is minus 12. Now we have to find out two numbers whose sum is minus 4 and product is minus 12. Now since the product is negative, one of them has to be positive and the other has to be negative. So we'll write x plus some number and x minus another number. We have to find out these two numbers. Since the product is 12, we will find out the factors of 12. So 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Now 4 into 3. Now this is getting repeated, so we'll stop here. So these are the factors of 12. Now clearly we can see here 2 and 6. If the difference between 2 and 6 will be 4. So since this is a negative number, minus 4 is negative, so the bigger number has to be negative. So we'll write x plus 2 and x minus 6. Now since we had multiplied 4 and 3 to make it 12, here we will divide this by 4. So our expression will become x plus 1 by 2 to x minus 3 by 2. So now we'll multiply this 2x plus 1 and multiply these two. This becomes 2x minus 3. Now when we take the product of 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 3, we will get this expression. So the factors of 4x square minus 4x minus 3 is 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. Let's take another example, 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now to find the factors, first we will multiply these two. So the expression will change to x square minus 7x minus 18. Now the sum should be minus 7 and the product should be minus 18. So we can write x. Now since 18 is negative, so one of the number has to be positive and the other has to be negative. Now we'll find the factors of 18. So 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, again 6 and 3. So it's repeating. So these are the factors. Now to make it minus 7, we can take 2 and 9. So since 7 is negative, the greater number should be negative. So we have to take x plus 2 and x minus 9. Because 9 into 2 is 18 and 2 plus minus 9 is minus 7. Now since we had multiplied 6 and 3 to make it 18, we will divide this by 6. After cancelling, we get x plus 1 by 3 into x minus 3 by 2. Now we'll multiply with x. We get 3x plus 1 into, multiply this also, 2x minus 3. Now when we multiply these two, the product of 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 is the given expression 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now let's solve this expression where we have roots. So root 3x square minus 13x plus 4 root 3. Here also the coefficient of x square is not 1. So here what we will do, again we will multiply root 3 with 4 root 3. So our expression changes to x square minus 13x plus 4 root 3 into root 3. So this becomes x square minus 13x plus 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Now our sum should be minus 13 and our product should be plus 12. So since it is plus and the sum is negative, so both the numbers will be negative. So let us find the factors of 12. So 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Now 4 into 3. Now it's repeating. So only these are the factors. Now 13x is given. So 12 and 1 can be taken. So minus 1 minus 12 is minus 13 and 12 into 1 is 12. So the factors are here 1 and 12. Now since we multiplied by root 3, here we will divide by root 3. So this becomes x minus 1 by root 3 into x minus 12 can be written as 4 into 3 or 4 into root 3 into root 3, right? So we will write here 4 into root 3 divided by root 3. So this root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. Now here we will multiply root 3 with x. So this becomes root 3x minus 1 into x minus 4 root 3. So the product of these two when we take, we will get this expression. Isn't it easy? Try finding the factors of this expression and answer in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and follow my channel for more such maths tricks.